Okay everyone, welcome back. This is the Saturday special video. Today I've come up with another title animation, the Hollywood movie. The movie name is Tenet. The title animation is looking like this. So today I'm going to be showing you how to do this title animation in After Effects. This is a very easy title animation and we can make this as quick. So let's dig into After Effects and let's do the title animation. And then come to our project panel and then click on create new composition, rename Tenet Anim 19201080, composition size and the 30 fps, and then I'm making as a 10 seconds and click on OK. Make sure the background is black color, and before that we need to research a little bit about what is the TENET Movie font. So if you go to the Chrome browser, if you go to the Google, type TENET Movie title font name, just type and click OK. There is a font name ACME Gothic Extra Wide Regular. This is a font they used. If you click that one, we have the TENET Movie font name and all the things. This font is not a free version. You need to buy this TENET font, but you can download some similar font in some of the website. Back with the After Effects, right click and then create a new and text. So type all in caps TENET. This is what we got, TENET. And then if you click on the text layer and then select all, and then if you come to the font section, character section, so I downloaded a similar font. The font name is Aria something they're saying, and it's a bold. It's come up with a bold and everything is white color, and I gave a font size is 170, and then leave about this one. This is the tracking. Set the tracking for the selection characters as 702 points. I gave that one, and then this is the tracking means distance between characters. So I'm gonna make undo, make it as a 702%, and then the title I little bit stretched that vertically, scaled little bit, 70% I scaled because the font come up with a little longer in that. So original font is a little bit short in that, so that's why I stretched a little bit, 70%, and then I gave a little bit extra wide, up to 105. Those are the settings and nothing else. And come to the text layer and then come to align, select an align. If you didn't saw this align, go to the window and then make sure you check this align panel. Click on align horizontally, align vertically, make sure it's on center. Now everything is center. Okay, come to our text layer. So in this case we need to make this all characters as the individual characters. For that, select this one, duplicate, and then make this one as solo, and then turn up the caps lock, make this one as solo, and then unsolo this one. And then so here the concept, take a text tool, and then we need to remove this part and we need to keep only T, and then we need to give 4 space. Remember how much you removed of the tail. If you removed 4 characters on the tail, we need to give 4 space. If you remove 1 character on the head, we need to remove 1 space. So here I'm going to be removing these 4, so it came there 1 2 3 4. I gave 4 space. Now it came to the normal place. We have all text in an order, everything is in order. So I'm gonna be take this text layer and then keep it on bottom for future reference. If you miss something, you can recover it from this text layer. Okay, in this one, select all, select this layer and then hold on shift and then select on the top. So it will select all the layers, and then if you come to the 1 2 3 4 5 frames, zoom a little bit and shift these layers up to 5 frames. So here it will start. So in this case, this T and this T is normal, and this T is, we need to make that as a reverse layer, and then this E we need to make reverse. So for that I'm gonna be, this is a T, first T we don't want, so zoom a little bit, select this T layer, come to the anchor point tool and then select the anchor point and then make this one, make sure this is on center here. Okay, that is in center now. To select the T layer, extend this properties and then come to rotation, type 180 degree. You need to rotate this 180 degree angle. Now it's become reverse, that's good. And then now we have E, select the E layer and then same thing for E also, select the pan behind tool and then make sure that is in center. So if you extend that one, come to the transform and then go to the rotation 180 degree, so it's reverse now. TENET original title. So there is no animation, nothing in that movie title animation. They just give 21 seconds for each titles. For T and then T, it's first appears. Give 5 frames in beginning black. You can make this title animation in Premiere Pro also. It's very easy in Premiere Pro. And then we need to give 21 seconds for T. After that, after 22 seconds, the E will appears, and then after 22 seconds, E will show 22 seconds. After that, our next 22 seconds N will appears, give it 22 seconds, and then end. What I'll do is we need to select these 3 layers E. So make sure you go 21 frames, 22nd frame, come to the selection tool and then move this part, middle part, and then so we have T now here, and then select this middle part, then go to 21 frames again, and 22nd frame we want this one. So move this one to 22nd frame and then give it 21 frame. On the 22nd frame everything is blank. So I'm going to zoom out this one, select these layers and zoom out, and then come to edit and then click on split layers and then select this layer. It's automatically selected these layers. You need to delete those layers, just hit delete button, and then if you zoom a little bit, give 5 frames, 1 2 3 4 5. So up to here, just trim this area. We need only this much. This is only title animation, and then if you play that, bam bam bam. If you had the sound effects, it looks good. So that's it. It's very easy. You can make that as within a minute. So that's it for today. Saturday special video. I will be back with another next week with another title animation. Stay tuned and thank you for watching. If you like it, share the video. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. If I upload any new videos, you will get notification of that one. Until next time, we'll see you later.